guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, this is gonna be a hair review. Whenever I install a different kind of hair, I'll come on here and show you guys and just give you the information on where you can get it and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the one I'm trying. I've had spring twist hair before, but I've got it in 1B30 and they were way shorter, and also I don't think they had curls at the end, so this is new for me. So yeah, I got the hair from Amazon a couple days ago and installed it. It took me about 2 hours as usual. I have a toddler who runs around, so yeah, 2 hours. And so far, like, oh my gosh, I really like this hair because of the volume. This hair is a bit crinkly, and really when you stretch it, the one I got was like 18 inches, but when you really stretch it, you can see 5'10", and it goes all the way down here. So another way you can do that is by just taking a blow dryer and blowing it, but way from a distance, so you can stretch them out. That's one trick you can do if you want it longer. So far, yeah, I've been really liking this hair because of the volume. Yeah, it's giving me a lot of life. I want to say that this hair does feel a little bit heavy, but not like where it's gonna bother your neck or stuff like that. So pretty much from a 1 to 10, 1 being not heavy and 10 being really heavy, it's like a 3. So that's what I've been noticing. It's like it does have a lot of weight, like when you flip it over you feel it, but overall, like, I'm really liking it. I got it in the 1B, and I'll turn around for you guys so you guys can see it here. Yeah, so you can see there, if I stretch it, it's all the way down my butt, but being 5'10", it hits me like right here when it's not stretched. So yeah, so this is the packaging here. The company's Dorsanee. I've ordered a lot of hair from them. They're really, they offer really great deals on hair. Typically, if you go to the beauty supply for a 6-pack of hair like this, you're gonna be paying over like maybe $40-something. I only pay like 26 with tax or something. So this is the hair right here when it comes out of the pack. Yeah, so you can see the curls at the end. Yeah. So far, yeah, I really like the hair. I like the volume. The texture is like more of a kinky texture. And the only thing I'm noticing that I don't like is it does get kind of dry at the ends. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what I've noticed so far. So you have to really be careful about putting products that are like, that have water in them, or a lot of products that are kind of wet, because over time it will dry up and you start really getting, you know, you're gonna get these. So you need scissors constantly to cut them and stuff like that. So that's the one thing that I'm kind of like not liking, but I also don't sleep with a bonnet all the time. I know. But yeah, that's what I've noticed so far. It just tends to kind of do this. So I have to constantly like clip it and stuff like that. But I've been really trying to keep my hands off of it, because the more you do to it, you're gonna have a lot of issues with a lot of like frizzies and a lot of tangling. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. But so far, so good. This is really great hair, but I think for summer it's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit heavier for summer, but it's not bad. Like, you can manage it. Yeah, so yeah, this is it here, guys. I'll leave the information in the description box so you guys can get it. But it's Dorsanee. I've ordered a lot of, I can't say that word today. I've ordered a lot of hair from them because they have good deals. Like a 5-pack of hair is like $25. And spring twist is all the rage. A lot of people are doing spring twist, but I don't have the time to sit down to get my hair done, so this is the best thing I could do. You can also open it up if you want to try something else and see how the texture changes. So you can get like little curls like this. You could open it up like that and get like curls like this and just install that. I haven't tried that yet, but maybe in the future I will. Anyway, yeah, so this is the hair. It's just been giving me life. Like, this volume is everything. I like big hair, and this is doing it for me. Like, it's really doing it. Anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.